Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you what to do if Google Assistant isn't working on your Android Smart TV. Here we go. As you can see, the first reason is that the internet isn't connected. So first connect to the internet and try again. If that doesn't work, go to Speech, or it might be Google Assistant settings, and enable the language you're speaking. Then disable this and enable speech output like that. If it still doesn't work, go back to settings and go into applications. Then check app permission, or select microphone and allow access to system apps. Alright, specifically allow Google Play Services, Google, and Google Play Services for instant apps. You can try unpairing and repairing the remote. Go to Bluetooth, select your remote, press unpair, and then OK, done. Next, connect it again. See, my remote is lighting up. I select it and now I have a connection. So I connected to the remote and I'm trying it again. Alright. The assistant turns on for me. If it doesn't work, the last resort is a factory reset of the TV. That's it. Edward here signing off. Goodbye everyone.